Sometimes the things they say, Lord knows would hurt me. With a smile, she just ignores their silly tries. She just loves this groovy little thing we got going.
DJ Crush, wait for, remember you know, I never talk about producing me, you know. You hear my vocals? Alright.
Alright guys, we're gonna play a little game of something you didn't know about me. It's pretty straightforward. Just something you didn't know about each of us. And you can go first.
I love potato pudding. And the one on the way to Montego Bay.
I was just about to ask,
Yeah.
Montego Bay or in Priory?
You know what I mean?
In Priory, right? The
Yeah,
dread.
on the way to Montego Bay.
Oh,
so
that's burp.
Yeah. So you come with a little third roundabout.
Yeah.
And you could,
Yeah.
Yeah. I love that.
That's enough.
So if
We buy about half a pudding or all
half a
pudding.
pudding?
Oh, swear.
That's 1,
Priory.
2, 3, 4, 5. That's about roughly $2,000. Enough money I spend.
Why are you telling people what I spend down at the pudding place?
What you mean? I love food. So if you see me down that side and you want to stop me and buy
So
me
it's
something.
only potato pudding?
Yeah, I like potato.
You don't like the caramel one?
No, no.
No. I'm so
Stop that, man.
shocked.
Yeah, so I love potato pudding. But
Okay.
for the one especially.
Oh.
Your turn.
I am deathly afraid
Not tell me.
of... No, if you're going to do it to me, no.
I joke. What's it?
I'm deathly afraid of anything that can like bite and suck blood. So like leeches, ticks, anything like
Brown.
that.
Catch you. Sorry, bro.
But no, yeah, anything like that. So you won't catch me going into like any high bush that where I'm ticks there. And if that ever say a leech, I'm just going to die. I can't. My blood just run cold. Huh?
I'm afraid of rats.
Rat? I'm not afraid of rat.
No,
I'm
I'm
not afraid of
afraid.
lizard. You afraid of
I
rat?
get it from my father. My father used to jump on things and rats. Him see rats running. Yeah, man, I remember one time, you know, I was at home and our little rat was running in the house. My mother had to kill it. My father jumped on the table. I said, Juliet, kill it. So the big mother beat me, you know. So I get that from him. So I'm afraid of rats.
That's good. That's good.
Old man. Hey, little man, I sample, you know.
That's
So-
nice. That's
So
good.
that's 2 from me, you're 1. Hold on, no.
It was only one.
No, we have to
Wasn't
ask DJ. Someone don't know
something
about
that
you.
we don't know about you, which you can't tell us anything because we don't really know enough about you. But tell us something good.
Well, I have a son. A very smart son.
You're in
very
love with your
smart.
son.
Right.
We can see that.
Love my son.
Sounds good. All right, he has a son.
Yeah.
Guys, you know what we have to do now? We have to go to break because it's time for Lotto.
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 Where that come from? Lotto.